Hello everybody, Angel here from Audi VW in Fall River, and today I actually want to hit you with another how-to video. This one is going to be on how to use your seats. A lot of people have been asking about the massage seats in the Audis. They don't know how to use it, so I want to show you how to use that functionality. Let's dive right in. All right, everybody, so here we are in a 2023 Audi S8. Beautiful, beautiful machine over here, and we are going to show you how to use the massage seat. So the first thing you want to do is when you get into an Audi with that functionality is easy. You want to make sure you go to your home. So that's the first thing you want to do, hit the home button. Once you hit the home button, bring you to the screen, and where do we want to go? Vehicles. See the picture of the car, you go to vehicles, and there you go. As you can see on the top, third one to the right, you got the seats. Click on the seats, bam. It brings you right to it. That is how you get to the massaging portion. So right here on the left hand side of the screen, you can choose the option how you want the massage, what type of massage you want basically. So you have a few options there. You got the wave, circular, stretch, relaxation, back, shoulders, and it goes on. So here's what we're gonna do. First thing you gotta do is you got to choose which side you want the massage on. Obviously I'm on the driver's side. If you wanted to do the passenger side, all you got to do is click this arrow right here and it will go to the passenger side, and it will actually display it right up here on the left hand side. On top you see the red on the passenger side. Now if you go back on this arrow, it'll show you the red for the driver's side. So since I'm on the driver's side, we're going to work the driver's side right now, and let's choose wave. What you want to do is you want to set the intensity of the massage by clicking intensity. Me, I like the intensity all the way up, and right there you just hit the start button. Once you choose the intensity, it will automatically start, but that's right there. You got the start and stop button. Once you're ready to stop, just hit the stop button and it will stop. And like I said, if you want to go to the passenger side, same thing. If you want wave, you pretty much choose where you want the massage. Let's go to stretch. Right there, start it automatically for you. And if you just slide the screen over, you have different ways to set your seat, okay? So this one right here is the temperature of the seat. Right now, I do have the heated seats on, and it depends where you want the heat to target pretty much. I normally keep it at a balance right in the middle, okay? But if you want it more towards the bottom, it'll concentrate on the bottom, or you could do it all the way to the top and it'll concentrate on your back portion, okay? All right, everybody, I just want to show you one more thing when it comes to the massage seats that I actually forgot to talk about, which is the most important and convenient part of the massage seats, okay? So once you select your functionality on how you want to be massaged, whether it's a wave for your back, let's say you choose back, there's a shortcut to get right to it. Now, I want to point to the side of the seat right over here. If you see right in the middle, there is that button for the massage to engage the massage seat feature. All you have to do is just click it, and it automatically set it to whatever you preset it last, okay? So if you don't feel like you don't want to go into the screen, all you have to do is hit that button. It is also on the driver's side as well, and yeah, it's easy as that. So I just want to thank everybody. Thank you guys for coming and joining me in this how-to video. So again, my name is Angel. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, please give me a call. The number here is 508-678-5555. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you, everybody. Take care.